A lovely day here, Dove Saw Shop. Today, getting ready to go to work, but we had a delivery. So, I want to bring you guys in and show y'all what we got going on deep inside this box. As we can see, it's in a cardboard box. Seems to be packaged very well. What do we have here? Can you guys guess? Chainsaw! Whoop whoop! So, guys, I scoured the interwebs far and wide looking for the perfect chainsaw, and I believe we found it. So what we found here, it's a brand new Husqvarna 440 X-Torque model. As you can see, this is the limited edition model. It's got a Chinesium crankcase, and it's got an unobtainium chain on it. It's supposed to be one, hands down, it's supposed to cut at least 2.3 times faster than the new C83X cut. So I'm really excited to give this thing a try. We're going to go ahead and bust this box open. It comes standard with a bunch of dooflotches on the bottom.
It needs to stay very secure. It is limited edition.
That is for shipping purposes and to keep sticky fingers out. Yeah. So.
Oh, this is heavy.
Wow. Check that out. So like I said, it's got a chain brake seems to work. Listen at that. Wow.
You're not showing us that.
It is, it's got a tip protector on it to keep you from hitting your bar down in something and getting kicked back.
Mm-hmm. Very safe.
It does not have the new flippy caps, but these caps, they work just fine. It does come with the primer bulb to purge the air out of the carburetor system. It does have your 3 Husqvarna quick clips. You just pop those things loose so you can get inside to the air filter. Mm-hmm. This hole here is the sucker hole to get air to the air filter. Mm-hmm. Listen at that.
Do you want to see if it can cut something? Let's see.
It's got your new, this is called flip switch. It's pretty much a safety switch, so if you're, see, it won't start now. But if you flip this switch, oh yeah.
Let's see if it can cut something. This is one of the strongest things in the world.
Woo!
This is the strongest paper.
Whoa!
It's like 35 inches thick. So yeah, it's very strong.
So, that is the initial first impressions of the Husqvarna 440 X-Torque model. Hope y'all like the video. Leave us that thumbs up. Y'all have a great day. Dubs
Out.